Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. This is me, your teacher Miss Sobi Iftikhar. I welcome to all in another class of history. Student, today your topic is Industrial Revolution and new invention leading to the Industrial Revolution. First we explain the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution now also known as the first industrial revolution was the transition to new manufacturing process in Europe and the United States in the period from about 1760 to sometime between 1820 and 1840. Students, industrial revolutions was a time when the manufacturing of goods moved from small shops and homes to large factories. This shift brought about change in cultures as people moved from rural area to big cities in order to work. In the earlier 18th century, people in England mostly used trees for building houses, ships, cooking, heating. They discovered coal as a good power source and developing mining technologies and techniques to extract it. The agricultural revolution of 18th century provided a fertile climate for industrial revolutions due to abundance of raw material produced locally. Industrial revolution history, the process of change from rural and handicraft economically to one dominated by industry and machine manufacturing. This process began in Britain in the 18th century and from there spread to the other part of the world. Invention in the machinery and new engineering techniques allow British to become the leading industrial powerhouse in the world. However, other European countries soon followed the British models and developed their industries. With the advancement in the industries, the question of speeding and effecting transportations of goods and raw material cross. Industrial revolution including the emergency of capitalism, Europe and imperialism effect to mine, coal and effect of the agriculture revolution. Your next point is new invention leading to the industrial revolution. Number 1, spinning. Spinning is a multi-spinner spinning frame and was one of the key development in the industrialization of weaving during the earlier industrial revolution. It was invented in 1764 by James Hargreaves. This device reduced the amount of work needs to produce clothes with a worker able to work 8 or more tools at once. The spiny Jenny helped to start the factory's system of cottons and manufacturers. This machine used 8 spindles onto which the thread was spun, and so by turning a single wheel the operator could spin 8 threads at once. Next invention, steam engine. A steam engine is a heat engine that performs mechanically work using steam as its working fluid. The steam engine used the force produced by steam pressure to push a piston back and forth inside a cylinder. The first practical engine was invented by James Watt in 1776. It was primarily used to pump waters from coal mines and lift loaded of coal to the surface. Next one is railway. Railways were the result of the inventions and development of the steam engine. This new technology was adopted to the ideas of pulling wagons along rails. After some time, George Stephenson, a British mechanical engineer, incorporated the steam engine into a wagon. This first train was operating in 1830. Soon after, railway lines between various cities of England were laid, making them an important feature of the British economically. Next, telegraph. The telegraph developed during the 1813 and 14. It's worked by the transmitting electrical signals over wire led in station. The telegrams was important because it allowed message to the transmitted across long distance in very less time. Student, I hope you understand my lecture. Next, your homework, exercise, question number 3, page number 16. Why did the Industrial Revolution start in British? आपका आंसर पेज नंबर 10 पे मौजूद है. आपने द स्प्रेड ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन वाला टॉपिक निकालना है और ये पूरा पैराग्राफ लिखना है इन्वेंशन इन मशीनरी से लेके एसेंशियल पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्रियल तक. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. नेक्स्ट, हाउ डिड द स्टीम इंजन इफेक्ट पीपल लाइफ? ये मैंने आपको आंसर आपके सामने आपकी लेक्चर्स में नज़र आ रहा है. ये आपने यहाँ से आंसर नोट डाउन करना है. आई होप ये आप कंप्लीट काम जो आप करेंगे अपना काम. नो स्टूडेंट, प्लीज़ लर्न दिस क्वेश्चन एट होम. राइट? ओके, दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ योर लेक्चर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.